Hello friends, welcome to the Said Aman Sangiwala. In past videos, we have discussed about the positive structure of the present to be tense and past to be tense. Now we are going to discuss about the future to be tense, positive structure of the future to be tense. So this tense shows the state of future helping verbs. This tense have only two helping verbs, will be and shall be. Will be and shall be. Positive structure of the future to be tense. Subject plus helping verb plus article plus noun. Will be. With will we use he, she, they, you, it and singular subject. Shall be is used with only two helping verbs with the two subjects I and we. So examples: he will be a rich boy, she will be a timid girl. I will be, with I we use shall, so I shall be an officer, I shall be a multimillionaire, we shall be helpers, there will be clever students, you will be a great person. So this was the future to be tense. Hope you get everything clear. Next is, now we discuss about the negative, interrogative and negative structure of the present to be tense. Negative tense structure: subject plus helping verb plus not plus article plus object. Examples: she is not a pilot. We use she is a subject, is helping verb, not is also here, addition of not. Then we use a is the article, multimillionaire. John is not a multimillionaire. It is not a knife. She is not a pilot. He is not a peon. I am not a teacher. They are not soldiers. You are not a naughty boy. You are not a beautiful girl. Now we discuss interrogative tense structure. Helping verb. First we use helping verb plus subject plus article plus object plus question mark. So examples: is she a pilot? Is he a clever boy? Am I a teacher? Are you a naughty boy? Is it a knife? Is John a multimillionaire? Am I a multimillionaire? Are they soldiers? Are you a beautiful girl? Then we discuss about the interrogative and negative structure. First we put the helping verb plus subject plus not plus article plus object plus question mark. Examples: is she not a pilot? Is he not a clever? First we put a helping verb, then subject plus not plus article plus adjective for increment plus noun. Am I not a teacher? Are you not a beautiful girl? Is it not a knife? Is John not a multimillionaire? Are they not soldiers? So